What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're going to be checking out the Enacfire A9 hybrid active noise canceling earbuds. These are coming in at 59 bucks on Amazon, and right now there is a 10% off coupon code, so you can actually get them closer to about 50 bucks if you're interested. So stay tuned. We're going to check out all the details here in this video and basically help you guys decide if these are going to be worth checking out. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Also, after you watch the video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair of these earbuds, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. Feel free to check out the timestamps down in the description as well. So inside the box, you're going to get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also getting a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as some small and large silicone ear tips. Taking a look at the case, it is compact in size, so you can see it fits easily inside of the hand with a matte finish all the way around. You got some branding right in the center of the case, and right next to that you do have a single LED indicator light to let you know your battery status. And then on the bottom of the case is where you have your charging port. Once you open the case, you can see the earbuds inside, and one thing that I will say is it can be somewhat of a challenge to get the earbuds out of the case, just because there's not a whole lot of surface area for you to grip as you're trying to remove them from the case. So this is very small. I just noticed it as I was trying to get them out of the case. Not a huge deal, not a deal breaker or anything like that, but I wanted to make sure that I did mention it. Now, one thing I do like is that the lid is nice and sturdy. So you can see as you open and close the case, whenever you have it open, it's definitely going to stay open. It's not going to accidentally close or anything like that. And then you also have some pretty decent magnets, which are going to help keep the earbuds inside of the case. Moving on to the earbuds, as you can see, they've got the stem design. You've got some Enacfire branding featured on the touch surface, and the earbuds have the same matte finish as we saw with the case. You can also see that the earbud portion has a nice angle to it, which is going to help position the earbud inside of your ear, give you a nice comfortable as well as secure fit. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0, and you are able to use them individually, so you can listen to one while the other charges, which is going to help you extend your battery life. And speaking of battery life, you're going to get roughly 8 hours on a single charge, with a total of 32 hours with the charging case, so definitely some solid battery life. You're also getting an IPX7 water resistant rating, which is going to give you plenty of protection from sweat and water. So these are going to be great for outdoors, or if you sweat heavily and want to wear these to the gym, these are going to hold up just fine. The earbuds feature a total of 4 microphones with noise cancellation technology for your phone calls, which is designed to help you eliminate the background noise and focus specifically on your voice to give you the best call quality possible. So we'll be sure to do a microphone test later in the video. So the earbuds are definitely going to give you a nice comfortable fit. The silicone ear tips are nice and soft, and they do a great job of not creating too much pressure inside of your ear. As long as you find the right size ear tips for your ears, you're also going to get a pretty secure fit. So if you want to wear these while you're on the go, or if you want to wear them to the gym, you shouldn't have any problems with them staying in place. The earbuds also give you full touch controls, so you get your play and pause, your volume controls, your track controls, your voice assistant, as well as your ANC and your transparency mode. Now let's go ahead and talk about sound quality. So I reviewed plenty of Enacfire earbuds in the past. I've done the F1, E60, the E90, the G20, the H500, and I've always been pleased with the sound on their earbuds, especially when you talk about value and bang for your buck. Now, if I'm being honest, the sound quality on the A9 is not the best from Enacfire, but I think that's because these are their first earbuds to feature active noise cancellation, so there's a little bit of a give and take. So you're getting ANC as well as a transparency mode, but you are sacrificing a little bit on the sound quality. I do feel like the other earbuds that I've tried from them in the past have had more of a V-shaped sound profile. So definitely some super clear treble, some nice boosted bass, and more of an overall in-your-face type of sound. So overall, the sound quality on the A9 earbuds, a little bit more on the neutral side. The bass, it definitely has some nice presence. It's definitely there, but it's not super intense, super in your face, and pretty much the same thing with the treble. It gives you some nice clarity, but I do feel like it could be just slightly more forward. Now let's go ahead and talk about the active noise cancellation. So these do feature hybrid noise cancellation, and they're claiming about 28 decibels of noise reduction, which is pretty standard for active noise canceling earbuds within this price range. Now, I will say that these are definitely some of the best active noise canceling earbuds that I've tested in the $50 to $60 price range. Normally, ANC earbuds at this price, the ANC is very subtle, and you have to be in a very specific environment in order to be able to tell the difference with the ANC turned on versus off. But with these, I could be in a quiet environment, I could be in a noisy environment, and you can tell a pretty significant difference with the ANC turned on versus off. Now, it's not going to compare to your more premium earbuds, your Sony or your Bose or anything like that. But again, for these to be in that $50 to $60 price range, it's definitely towards the top of my list. Now, as far as the transparency mode, there is a little bit of room for improvement, but there's definitely some things that I really like about it. For starters, it doesn't give you any hissing or any of that white noise or any of that digital sounding effect that you kind of get with other ANC earbuds that feature transparency mode. Now, on the other hand, it's not very strong at all. It's very subtle. It could be stronger. I do wish it was a little bit stronger. But to be honest, I will take a subtle transparency mode with none of the other effects that I mentioned versus a transparency mode that is stronger, draws in a lot more of that outside noise, but gives you that digital, echoey, artificial type of sound. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Enacfire A9 True Wireless earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so we got some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So again, this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound, only this time if you're in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So that's going to be it for this video. Overall, I do like these earbuds, and as far as budget active noise canceling earbuds in that $50 to $60 price range go, these are definitely a top contender in my opinion. So again, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, make sure you hit the affiliate links down in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. And also, it does help support the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So until next time, CEO in the making signing out.